I'm back with another great recipe. Today, this is what's jumping in my pot. Chicken Francese. Let's get to it. Okay, let's get to the first step. Now, I have a frying pan here, and I have it turned on medium, high, and we're going to add some oil to this pan. We want to let the oil heat up. Now, in this dish here, I'm going to add some all-purpose flour, a little black pepper and salt. Then we whisk this up together. I have an egg in here, and I added some water to the egg, and we're going to beat the egg up because this is going to be an egg wash. I have the chicken here. I already washed it and rinsed it in cold water. Now I'm going to pour any excess water off. Then we're going to add some salt and pepper to the chicken. We're going to mix everything in there. I'm going to take a piece of the chicken cutlet, dip it into the egg wash. I'm shaking off the excess egg wash. And now we're going to dip it into the flour. Shake off any excess flour. And then we're going to add it into the pan. Let's do another one. Put it in the egg wash. Take it out, shake it off. Put it into the flour. Take off any excess flour and put it into the pan. Now it's time to flip them to the other side.
So this is a healthier version of the original chicken Francese dish.
Yeah, it doesn't have no cream in there, not using heavy cream.
So the sauce will be a little bit lighter.
Yes. And I have a bowl here with paper towel. And when it's finished cooking on this side, I'm going to take it out and put it in the bowl, the dish with the paper towel.
Also, the ingredients will be in the description box below for this recipe. Like, subscribe, share, and comment to help us get in the algorithm.
Now that the chicken cutlet have cooked, we're going to move on to the next step. I've wiped the frying pan out of any excess oil, and I'm going to have the lemon slices now. Now we're going to cook these lemon slices for about 30 seconds.
This is an easy dish, and it's quick. It's only 30 minutes to prepare the whole dish, right?
Yes.
Almost like a shrimp scampi, but with chicken. This dish. Especially the healthier version of the dish.
It's 15 seconds on each side. I have some unsalted butter, and I have some all-purpose flour. Now, we're going to take our fingers and rub this in. Now we're going to add the wine, the white wine, the lemon juice, and some chicken stock.
Or chicken broth you could use too. But it's the same difference.
And we're going to add this butter and flour mixture. We're going to let this cook for about 5 minutes. Now we're going to add the chicken cutlets back to the pan.
Looks like it's coming together pretty well.
Yes, it is. It's nice and lemony smell.
Yeah, it does smell good.
We're going to let this simmer up for about 3 minutes. Then it'll be time to serve it up. It's all plated up. Enjoy. I'm serving my chicken francese with fettuccine pasta. You can serve it with angel hair pasta, even spaghetti, or mashed potatoes. If you like what you saw today, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. And also follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. And I will see you soon with another video. Bye. Hit that like button.